Hey there, I'm just amazed by the response to my earlier Alva beige textured video. I guess I didn't really think it through, mentioning if you would join me in the knitting, but with all the responses I got, I am going to host a knit along on Ravelry, and we will make Alva. And I think I will throw in 2 other patterns as a sort of a spring cleaning, stash busting project. And the first one is my latest retro top. This is if you're thinking about the summer. Then there will be a cowl called Memo, which is sort of an introduction to different knitting techniques that I use in my patterns. So that's a fun one to make. Much quicker project, but it has a lot of action in it, and we can use a lot of different yarns in that. So, Alva. I am currently here, and I've added in some different textures, and it's quite chunky in places. And this is exactly what I was envisioning, to have an unclear color contrast, but all the more texture contrast. And I've already added in some glitter, both at the beginning. There's this Brillino, I don't know if you see it. I'm holding that together with a different yarn. And then currently I'm also holding the same glitter thread with a white one. That's this one. This is an accent yarn that you hold, often you hold it with another yarn. So this is where I am at the moment. And I'm using both thick and chunky textures. And then I'm also using some finer yarns, like this one, which is an alpaca silk, fingering-ish weight. But when I use this one, I add a different thread to accompany it, like perhaps this one, or even this one with a sequence in it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you some suggestions for different color combinations for your Alva.